Okay, I think it's recording. So my first video, official video on YouTube. I think I posted some videos um, for my projects. But yeah, for those who don't know me that well, I'm a Korean student finishing up his bachelor in the Netherlands. Um, I'm quite old. In my case, I'm in my mid 20s. Uh, and the reason why I'm shooting this video is I want to talk about uh, how I feel the lack of my skills in the industry. So, basically, for the past few days, I've been thinking what I should do for my future. So, I've had to make a decision between doing a master or starting a job. And I applied to some masters in the Netherlands um, starting from February, and I got into some majors that I wanted. Um, I had the opportunity to do some bridging program and get into robotics at one of the universities. Uh, I've also got into several AI programs. But the thing was, I was thinking about it, and my parents told me that um, they could support the tuition fee for me. But for me, studying here costs at least 17K per year. So it's going to be 2 years. So that's at least going to be 35K, 34K, not including the housing and so on and so forth. And since my parents are old and they have already sacrificed a lot for me, I decided that I'm not going to do my master's here. So yeah, I am now applying to Germany where the tuition fee is a bit cheaper or non-existent. But at the same time, I was looking at the jobs. I've been applying to some jobs, both in Korea. Did I tell you that I'm Korean? Yeah, both in Korea and in the Netherlands. The Netherlands, as a non-EU student, it's really hard to get a job as a bachelor, especially if you don't speak Dutch, because you're always in third place. So people, uh, yeah, they prefer Dutch people who speak Dutch, which is understandable, and then and as it should be. And next, there are EU citizens that don't have any work restrictions, so they don't need a visa. For us, we need a visa. We don't speak Dutch. Only thing that we might be able to show is our skills. And I was thinking about my skills in programming, and it's not really great. Although I have done AI major, it's not like a straight up computer science major, so it doesn't really go deep into the algorithms uh, or computation or optimizing. Yes, there are lots of machine learning projects that we have to do. Yes, we learn algorithms, but still, it's not enough. It's not enough, and although I have taken extra C courses and software engineering, uh, when I felt I was lacking the most when I did my software engineering product management internship at the Dutch company, where I was told to make a product, and um, compared to the senior developer who was in charge, I couldn't do anything. I'm not saying this just because I was an intern and yeah, you might say that he's a senior and he has tons of experience, but still, considering all of that, I was just doing almost nothing. So And I was thinking what the problem is, and the problem is that I don't have the skills. Yeah, I don't have the general coding skills. So I was looking up, I was researching, and I found this popular coding website called LeetCode. I'm pretty sure most of the people have heard about it. Um, so companies do the coding tests, and they're usually um, based on testing your algorithmic knowledge, computational knowledge, and how you solve the problem, the codes. LeetCode's LeetCode provides the problems and yeah, lets you practice with it. And I was thinking, yeah, if I could practice my own skills with um, this LeetCode. I'm using LeetCode instead of the Korean programming sites like Pekjun or Programmers because I'm aiming for foreign companies if I am to do a job to go into the job instead of going to the masters in Germany. Nothing has been decided yet for me, but I think for my own benefit, it's best to work on my general skills. So that's why I'm doing this 100-day coding challenge for myself. Uh, I'm not just going to learn algorithms, uh, try to solve the problem, and just record it and post it. Probably it's going to be a hybrid of me learning from this crash course that I bought yesterday. Um, yeah, I spent 80 euros on it. I think I should get the most out of it. Hopefully, it works out, and I'm curious in 100 days um, what I would have made out of it. Hopefully, I would have learned a lot, and that's something that I um, I really think about these days. If I didn't waste my early days in my 20s just wandering around doing nothing, instead I could have learned these algorithms. But past is a past. I want to fill my days with learning. So yeah, I'm gonna start to not today but tomorrow. So tomorrow is gonna be my official day one, and every day I'm gonna post a video of me learning. Yeah, hope you stay tuned. Did I forget something? This is my second try, so I could have forgotten something. Mm, hmm, I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah, hopefully I didn't forget anything. Yeah, that's all for today. So, yeah, see you guys tomorrow.